Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a short piano tutorial on how to play Young Miami's Spin Dat, produced by Jay White. Let's dive into it. Alright, so for this song here, it's basically 2 chords and then 1 passing chord. So let's dive right into it. Starting with this chord here. It's an F minor 7. So in the bass we have our F. You can play octaves if you like. The right hand we have G sharp, C, and then we have D sharp. Again, G sharp, C, D sharp, with the F in the bass. So that's our F minor 7. Then we go to the C sharp in the bass. So we go from here. So right there, D flat major 7 over 9. So we have the C sharp in the bass. Then we have F. And this is the right hand, so have your thumb on F, G sharp, C. Then we have the D sharp. So that's the F minor 7 with the D flat bass or C sharp. And then we have this last passing chord. And that there is a C7. So we have the C octaves. And again, that's the left hand. And then the right hand, we have the thumb on E, G, A sharp. So basically that's the E diminished chord. And then because we're putting that C, it turns into a C7. So if we put it all together, we have what I like to do also for that passing chord is add an extra note. So again, we have the C octaves in the left hand. But in the right hand, I like to add this D sharp. So remember I told you to play it like this. Use your pointing finger to play that D sharp. So that's the E flat, add 9. And just kind of gives a little bit of flavor. So C7 sharp 9. So again, put it all together. So the key is basically the key right there. Get a little fancy with it. So that's basically how you play Spin Dat by Young Miami. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you on the next video. We out.